Did you know that if you are injured due to the action or inactions of a government entity in New York, you may be able to file a lawsuit? But there is the twist. Suing the government is not the same as suing a private individual or company. There are special rules, and if you don't follow them, you may lose your chance to get the compensation you deserve. In this video, we will walk you through the process of suing a government entity in New York and what you need to do to protect your rights. Let's dive in. First, let's get one things clear. Yes, you can sue the government for personal injury in New York, but it's not as simple as taking a private company to court. The government enjoy what is known as sovereign immunity, which protects it from being sued in many cases. However, there are exceptions. In fact, New York State allow lawsuit against the government in certain circumstances. And if you are hurt due to government negligence, you may have a valid claim. First is understanding the sovereign immunity. Sovereign immunity is a legal doctrine that essentially shields the government from lawsuits. But don't worry, this does not mean you are completely out of luck if you have been injured due to the government's negligence. New York has waived this immunity in a specific case, particularly in personal injury lawsuits resulting from accident involving government owned property or employees. Type of case you can sue for: potholes and poorly maintained roads, sidewalk accidents, public building accidents, police misconduct or negligence, and accident involving city buses or government vehicles. In New York, there are several types of personal injuries claim against the government that are allowed. These may include accident that happens due to poor maintenance of public property, such as potholes, sidewalks, or government owned building. You may also have ground for a lawsuit if you are injured due to the action of a government vehicle, such as a city bus or a police car, or even in cases of police misconduct. These are just a few examples, but keep in mind that you need to prove negligence and show that the government entity had a duty to maintain or oversee the area in question. One of the most important steps when suing the government is filing a notice of claim within 90 days of the incidents. A notice of claim is a formal document that notify the government agency of your intent to sue. To file this within the specific time frame can bar you from bringing your case to court. So, if you have been injured, it is crucial to act quickly. The 90 days periods start from the date of the injuries, so don't wait. Just like any other personal injury case, when suing the government, you must prove that negligence occurred. This means showing that the government had a duty of care, breached that duty, and that the breach directly led to your injuries. For example, if you slipped on a poorly maintained sidewalk, you need to prove that the city was responsible for fixing the sidewalk and failed to do so in a reasonable amounts of time. A strong evidence such as photographs of the scene, medical reports, witness statements, and expert testimony will help build your case. If your notice of claim is accepted and negotiations does not result in a settlement, the next step is to file a lawsuit. Filing against the government is a complex process and involves different rules than regular lawsuits against a private entity. For instance, the government has its own legal team, and cases are often defended aggressively. This is where having an experienced personal injury lawyer become crucial. This can help navigate the complexity and make sure your case is presented efficiently. The government will likely have a strong defense team, and they might argue that they were not negligent or that they followed all appropriate procedures. In some cases, they might also invoke immunities, claiming that the situation falls under one of the exceptions. Additionally, the government may argue that the injuries was caused by factors outside of their control or that the property was not under their jurisdictions. Understanding this defense is essential to clarifying a successful case. Suing a government entity for personal injury in New York can be challenging, but it's not impossible. If you have been injured because of a government agency's negligence, you may still have the right to compensations. Make sure you act fast, file a notice of claim, gather a strong evidence, and work with an experienced lawyer to give yourselves the best chance at success. If you need help navigating this complex process, contact a personal injury lawyer who specialized in government claiming today. Your rights and compensation are worth fighting for. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful legal tips and information on personal injury cases. See you next time.